Multiplication table of 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 15, 20, 18, 21, what's it? 21, 27,
4.
ay, 24, 27, 30.
Isa pa.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 37, 30.
Very good. Next. How about sa 4?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
How about 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
How about sa 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Sa 7?
7, 14, 7, 14, 31, 38, 35, 42, 49, 50, 56, 63, 70.
Very good. How about sa 8?
8, 16, 34, 32, 48, 54, 60, 63, 72, 80.
Isa pa daw.
8, 16, 34, 32, 32, 40, 46,
48.
ay, 48, 48, 56, 64, 64, ano siya?
64, di ba ang last mo? 8. By 8 tayo ate.
64, 72, 80.
Very good. How about sa 9?
9, 18, 27, 27, 36, 45, 54, 54, 63, 70, 60,
72.
72, 81, 90.
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Next na naman ate is same pa rin na process. We are going to add ate ha. Okay, this is the paper. Okay. Okay. You are going to add ate 1 up until 9 ha. Okay, start with 1.
What can go down is
4. 4. Okay, add mo na.
3 plus 4. Add na lang 4 plus 3. 7.
7. Okay, this one ate, I will teach you ha. Okay, wait lang. Di ba you've got 7 all over 5, tama? Okay, this is not the final answer. What kind of fraction is this?
Odd.
What kind of fraction?
A fraction. improper.
Improper. So this one ate, if we have an improper na answer, this is not our answer ha, but instead we are going to make it into a mixed number. If you are going to make it into a mixed number ate, you put the number on top inside. Next, you put the number ate 5, this one. Gets ate? Okay, 7 divided by 5.
2 divided by 5. Can I skip that by 5?
5. And this one ate, if you are going to skip count, you have to skip count the number that is outside ha. So that's 5. Sige ate.
5, 10, 15.
Oh, lampas na.
Ay, 5, 10. I don't like that.
Very good.
So it
The answer is 1. 1 times 5.
1 times 5 is
5. Very good. You put 5. You, next, minus 7 minus 5.
7 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, is 2.
This one, ate, oh, di ba 7 minus 5? You close it. The answer?
Is
7 minus 5. Close? 2. Sige daw, be. Segue muna tayo. 8 minus 4.
2. 8 minus 4